you want to learn about the anatomy of the human body in a practical way? There are different digital tools that can help you to facilitate the process to understand the human body, its structure, shape, and how it works. Everything will depend on your needs. One of them are the applications to study anatomy, some of them totally free and many others paid. You can choose the one that best suits you. These applications are the perfect complement in the learning process of a subject of great importance as is the anatomy of the human body, as they facilitate interaction and facilitate understanding virtually and easily accessible. The first is Atlas of Human Anatomy 2021, The Body in 3D. This 3D anatomy app has more than 10,000 anatomical models fully described and available in more than 7 languages: English, Spanish, French, German, Italian, Japanese, and simplified Chinese. It is designed to help you understand and effectively communicate what the human body looks like and how it functions through textbook-level definitions, making it one of the most comprehensive alternatives available. The second is Skeleton Anatomy 3D. An excellent choice among free anatomy study apps in Skeleton Anatomy 3D. It is a state-of-the-art 3D anatomy atlas that features different fully detailed interactive anatomical models. With this app, you can access all the bones of the human body, which have been reconstructed in 3D. You can also rotate, zoom, observe in detail, and even view them from any angle. The third is Visual Anatomy Free. This is an ideal application for learning or for professionals who need to remember knowledge. It is a tool designed for doctors, educators, or professionals, as it allows them to visually show detailed areas to their patients or students. As an educational and interactive reference tool, it is a 3D anatomy app that allows you to visualize each organ, all the anatomy systems of the body, and more than 500 selection points with their label and description. In it is possible to explore the organs, muscular system, skeletal system, circulatory system, heart, respiratory system, digestive system, urinary system, nervous system, and much more in 3D modeling.